Okay, we got my two batteries. Remote wasn't working. Pull them out. Go to the first one. Voltage DC setting, and I'm not getting anything. 0.14. That ain't nothing, not even a tenth of a volt. And this one's reading normal, 1.54, so that's 1.5. You're looking for 1.5 on all these round battery types. Also, this side with the little tit is the positive side, and the bottom is the negative. If you look at this one that's open, you can see what happens when you leave batteries in devices and forget about them. They start leaking, and then the device could get ruined. I caught this one, but this battery is shot. So that's always good to have a little meter. Be able to check. Batteries are expensive rather than just throwing them away. Usually it's something simple, and it may not be the battery. Alright, visit youandmerealty.com now.